Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to part 2 of the Honda ATC200 build. In today's video we're going to get the three-wheeler running really good, get it to idle really good. I already got new carburetor for it. I have one new one and one used one I'm going to try. This one's all messed up, and after that we could try getting it started after we change the carburetor. If we get it started, we could try putting on the shifter, and if we do that we could take it for a ride. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so I got the carburetor on, got the throttle cable on. Now let's mount the fuel tank back on. So I took it off. Alright guys, so let's get the shifter hooked up. So the two other carbs I had didn't work. I tried getting them running with that, but they didn't work at all. It like bogged a little bit, but since that didn't work, I brought a brand new original carb for it. Same exact as the old one, just brand new and nothing messed up on it. So hopefully it's gonna run really good with this carb. And then we're gonna have to make a custom filter because the one I had, it didn't come with one, and I have one that will fit on here, but I'll just have to make another hole for the crankcase vent. So let's try putting this carburetor on and starting it up. Alright guys, so let's take it off. Alright guys, so I just took the old carburetor off, and here's the brand new one, and look at that, exactly the same, just this one's trashed up, this one's brand new. Look at that. This one's gonna work way better because it's brand new. So let's start putting this carburetor on and then try starting it up. Alright guys, so I just got the new carburetor installed, so now let's try starting it up. Guys, so I forgot to adjust the pilot screw, so I just now adjusted it off camera. Let's try again. Alright guys, we just got it running. It's smoking a lot, so it might have bad rings, piston rings. But it was running good just now. Now let's get the carburetor tuned, and we could try taking it for a test ride. I think I'm gonna just try adjusting the idle for now. I'm gonna turn it up like one turn. That was fun, guys. So we literally just rode it a little bit. Let's try starting again and then try to go through more than one gear. Not good. It sounded bad, it backfired, but we have it running pretty good now. Alright guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video. We got the engine up and running and driving a little bit, but it definitely needs new piston rings and the transmission might be messed up. All we have left to do on this thing is repaint the plastics, get the original gas tank back on it and get it sealed and repaint it. And if y'all enjoyed this video, please stay tuned for part 3 and all the other parts. And if y'all enjoyed it, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see y'all next time.